Okay, so this is the review of the Ambiano electric travel cooler from Aldi, one of the Wednesday Aldi special buys, $49.99. So we're going to be seeing how this travel cooler works. Travel cooler. Okay, so let's see what's inside this travel cooler. It looks like the refrigeration unit's on the top, and there's instructions on the bottom. It has a handle. Let me see where the electrical cords are. Okay, so it looks like on the back of the cooler, on the top of the refrigerant, there's a cord inside. That's inside here to slide. So the cord comes out. And let me see what that looks like. And it comes out of there to plug into your outlet. And then there's a cigarette lighter plug also. So it comes with a cigarette lighter plug and a cord to plug it in. Wow, that's pretty good. So on maximum, the motor's a little loud, but you can make it medium and eco economy. So it seems like it's getting cold in there. Let's see what happens. We'll test it out.